Pluto in Aquarius marks a period of profound change in social, political, and cultural paradigms. This is the shift into a cosmic and zodiacal era. Pluto symbolizes transformation, rebirth, and collective power. It is characterized by its violet color, while Aquarius represents ideals of equality, innovation, and breaking away from obsolete structures. This transit, which will last 2 decades, marks a period of profound change. With Pluto's entry into Aquarius, one of the first 40 years of adaptation to the Aquarian era begins. Every 100 revolutions of Pluto around the Sun close a cycle and begin another 100 revolution cycle. This means, dear brothers and sisters, that we have entered the first revolution of Pluto in this new era, marking the beginning of a higher evolutionary level. This is a time of expanded consciousness and connection between the fractal we are here and our higher self, also known as the light human or quantum double. On a genetic level, we have left behind the 666 hominid mode to begin the 999 human mode. With Pluto in Aquarius, which entered on November 19, 2024, a period of massive changes begins, marking the start of an entirely new future. A new chapter opens that invites us to reflect on how our current structures meet humanity's needs and what transformations might arise to adapt to the ideals of this new cycle. The definitive entry of Pluto into Aquarius marks the beginning of an astrological cycle that promises to be as transformative as the one in the 18th century. This new transit could bring significant advances in areas such as technology, collective rights, a global power structures, questioning and reforming current systems, biotechnology, artificial intelligence and robotics, renewable energy. A revolution is expected in how societies address issues of collectivity, human rights, and sustainability, challenging traditional power structures. In terms of technological advancements, significant innovations may emerge to transform health, such as personalized treatments. Likewise, labor dynamics could be reshaped with the integration of technologies, reconfiguring the human role and opening ethical debates. Socially, this period promises to be a catalyst for movements of justice, gender equality, and new forms of social organization. Technology, especially social networks and digital platforms, will be key to connecting people around common ideals, consolidating itself as a driver of structural changes. The transit of Pluto in Aquarius could play a key role in fostering a global commitment to renewable energy and sustainability, addressing the climate crisis, and transforming our relationship with the environment from an innovative and collective consciousness perspective. An invitation to transformation. Beloved brothers and sisters, profound changes are approaching for humanity. This is an invitation to explore new ways of being, living, and coexisting, promoting a balance between technological advancements, respect for individuality, and the common good. Ascending to this state is called resurrection, and it is an individual process for each of us. The polarity of light will be within each being, enlightenment, not outside. Therefore, it is essential to continue working individually, as this process is personal. Connect with life. Love, create, feel, breathe, and appreciate these current moments. The changes will be for the good of all. Remember, nothing repeats itself. Each moment is unique. Life is composed of many wonderful moments. Never forget to always be grateful for what the universe offers you each day. Live with intensity, feel the beauty that surrounds you and love life. I embrace you with love and wish you infinite blessings, abundance, well-being, and prosperity. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, in divine service to humanity and the illumination of Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your eternal source of light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.